Hey guys, so I'll be showing you how to get a second element and how to get the light element, and this is just like a tutorial and stuff. And yeah, let's just get into the video. So you want to get your journal and you want to scroll to number 8, and it says Elemental Studies New Element Book 2. And I achieved it because I bought it, but you can easily like level up 50 levels. And I am, boxing with my cursor, so it's number 8. If you scroll, you can search element in the search bar, and that's how you get a new element. So here's how to get the light element. So after you buy it, you want to go to Rainy Woods, and then you want to go to the forest. You want to go like where you start in the game. You have the stupid forest, and then you like fly all the way to the rocks area, do your thingy, and you have to go through this portal, I don't know. So when you go to the element place or whatever, there's a light cave, and it's like the brightest cave, and it has stars and everything. And you tell me if you guys want me to do a water cave, the water element, because I have that one too. And it says Light Kingdom. If it does not say Light Kingdom at the bottom of your screen, then that's not the right, cave. So I'm just letting you guys know. And you have to jump on the clouds or else you fall, and then you get put back to the area where you spawned, I think. I'm not sure. Okay, and now you're in the Obby area. Make sure to collect these checkpoints because, and you cannot fly. I completed it, so that's why I'm able to fly. Cloud daydream hopping. Practice as, okay, I can't read it. But you just have to jump on the clouds, and I'm too lazy to do that. Light test. What travels faster than light? It is nothing. So you're going on the nothing little beam, because if you go on any other ones, you're gonna fall. Trick of light. You have to jump on these things, and when they disappear, you have to wait till they reappear so you can jump on them again. And I'm just gonna fly again. What type of particles make up light? I don't even know what this means, but it is photons. I remember, but I was just testing to see. Yes, go on the photons, or else you will fall and you cannot complete it because you cannot fly. If you complete it and you come back, you can't fly. But yeah, now it's just more clouds, and you have to jump on them like they're moving this time. But I'm gonna fly. And then what of these isn't a primary color? And it is green. And now for the last part, you just have to dodge these little glowing little things falling. And I know that was quite fast, but if you complete all those, you'll get the light power. And I already have it. That's why I don't have a badge or nothing. I don't even know what I'm doing. Showing you the sign. If you walk through there, you'll go to the main campus, I think. But yeah, thank you guys for watching this video. Make sure to subscribe. I don't know why I have this another clip here, but thanks for watching. And see ya.